Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos and I'm back with the daily giveaway. A little bit late on today, I know, but still we got there in the end. So this is the daily giveaway, and let me just show you what I have up for grabs today. We've got some more handmade cards. Believe it or not, I have probably about 300 cards in boxes laying around, maybe more. So every couple of days I think you'll be getting cards. Other days you'll be getting things that I've made, other things that I've made, like I was giving away Project Life cards yesterday, and sometimes it's artsy crafty things. So every day is different. So today I have these cards, and you can see, if you know your Stampin' Up products, that this was a couple of years back now. This one isn't Stampin' Up. This is a other card that I've made, a lovely fairy card with this lovely I don't know, like fibre sort of paper. It's gorgeous. Then we have this thanks card, and You're My Anchor, a manly card, and this was from I think it's a Debbie Moore craft CD that you print out and then you embellish all of the bits. So that's a lovely card. With age comes the beauty of wisdom. So there's a little bit of a variety going on here. So we have these 5 handmade cards. So look at this. This is nearly full up now. So lots of people in here. And lots of you have multiple tickets in here. Lots of chances. So I'm going to have a really good swizz around. And oh, there's a ticket there. Grab my attention. So the ticket that has won is number 326. If you have this number sent to your notifications, then just email me your address details. My email address is in the description below. So just email me your name and address and I will post these cards off to you. So well done, number 326. Thank you so much everyone for taking part. We still have another week left of the daily giveaway, March Madness daily giveaway. So keep on trying, and who knows, it might be you tomorrow. Take care for now. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.